Guys, stop using cotton buds and get yourself the XKOO otoscope earwax removal. Works on Android and iOS. Built-in HD camera with Wi-Fi connectivity. Inside the box you will get a simple, colourful guide on how to use this earwax removal device. Carries a 3 megapixel camera, 130 mAh battery. Charge time takes about 45 minutes and usage is about 30 minutes. 8 silicone ear spoon covers, which can be also bought from online. Type-C charge cable. And finally the XKOO X-Life earwax removal tool. Straight on top is the mini camera with a LED light. Charge port at the bottom. Let's set this up. Scan the QR code to download the app. Switch on until you see a blue flashing light. Click to connect. Click on the device Wi-Fi. And you should be ready to go. It's a simple app format for you guys to use. You can choose wide lens or focus, record or take an image, change the orientation of the camera too. Place on the silicone cover. And now you can check your ears for any wax that can be spooned out. Grab yourself one of these guys and keep your ears cleaned. Stay safe, peace.